Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is probably going to be in several parts. You'll end up hearing things that say things a little differently. This is going to be a gold paper prints all, like I said, into pieces. So we're going to go ahead and just get right into it. I'm going to show you the sheets that I got. Workout. This is in script number, I want to say 6. Yeah, 6. I've been getting everything in 6, and this is just in black. It does come in 4 schemes: nude, rainbow, colorful, and black. And then I got a new one, mother-daughter time. This is one of the new releases. I got this in rainbow. Change contacts in rainbow. I got the bow clips in nude. And then I also got the reformatted speech therapy in rainbow. And then I got 2 kits that are actually reformatted, not new at all, but newly reformatted. I got the Happy Easter and Happy St. Patty's Day kits. Each kit is 6 sheets, and then I also got the functional add-on and the glitter headers. So I'll show you real quick what's in these. It's all the same thing, just different deco and different colors. So I got glitter headers and functional as add-ons for both kits. These are full boxes for Happy Easter. This is the new headers / little things. I have the ombre check boxes. This is again a whole new format that she's doing, and I've actually figured out the formula pretty well for myself. So this, sheet covers, and washi. And then the same thing with St. Patty's Day, glitter headers, functional, full boxes,
yes,
headers and little things, ombre heart check boxes, half boxes with icons, date cover, and washi. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to make this super short because we do have to go and pick up my husband. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for every time I decide to upload a video. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.